Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD as usual, and I just want to pop into the weekly here. Nothing's really been going on. We did get this rejection of the 155. We've come back and we have found support in the moving averages. Look at our oscillators here, separated and crossing over. That is an indication that we have another strong move coming, which should be equal to the length of the move that happened going into the close of last year. So back onto the 8 hour, you can see we have been very volatile, bouncing all over the place, above and below the moving averages. So what we're looking for is we're looking for some support. I just want to get just find some area that's going to help. Okay, so that's kind of what I would expect. Let's get down to the 1 hour, and we can just fine tune it right. So ideally you'd like to see a move back down to 107.312. I don't think that's going to happen though. I think what you should rather do is focus here. So what you're looking for is either a retest of 107.507, or what you are going to be doing is you're looking for a break of this little range. So you're looking for a break and retest of 107.772, and your stop is going to be just below here. Your move is going to be something like that, which takes us to 108.424. So I'm looking to buy either for a bounce here or a break of this area of resistance that we're in at the moment. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, and you can see pretty strong move down. We've got to cross over all the moving averages now. We are in an area of fairly strong resistance. So pay attention to what's happening here. Look at these tails here, pin bar, pin bar. What you'd be wanting to do is look at the low of this morning, and we'll leave it as that. So that would be 132.338. I'd want to see a break and a retest of that, because we're stuck between the moving averages, and whenever we're between the moving averages, that to me is a range. And if you look at the oscillators, it could break higher still. So I think this level is still in play, 132.952 at the moment. So I think this one I'd be sitting on my hands. I don't like what we've got here. Better structure on Euro USD. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen, and yeah, chaos still continues. Oscillators are separating and not crossing over yet, but they are separating. We do have a fairly strong zone here, and that is a zone of resistance. All the moving averages grouped together, not really trending on the 8 hour, and if you look at it on the 1 hour, you're looking for a move to the upside. I'm a little bit reluctant to jump in on this one as well. The logic on the 1 hour is that we should be moving to the upside, but if you take the bigger picture in play, you've broken below the moving averages. Lots of buyers coming in, granted, but we're in an area of volatility, or in an area where anything can happen. So I would prefer to see, for the shorts anyway, I'd want to see a break and retest of 161.522. If it is going to be long, then I'd want to see a break and retest of 162.216. I'd want to see price move above, come back and test this, and then move and converse for a short. So that one definitely is sitting on the sides. Lastly, Euro British pound, big move down, big move up, back in amongst all the moving averages. This is just sideways price action again. Fairly strong move yesterday, which would be weak pound. So it looks like there should be a short setting up somewhere. Look at the oscillators here. This is becoming textbook stuff. I think for this one you are looking for a opportunity to buy, and right now that opportunity is right there, and then let's put 3 levels in here. There you go. So what we're looking for is either 087982, or we're looking at 087839 or 08779. I'm looking for price to come back into this area, and I'm looking for an opportunity to buy. And what you'd be wanting to do is you're looking for a measured move equal to the move of yesterday, whether it's off there or here. I'm going to take it off there. So I would be looking for a move to 088788. So fairly decent setup there. So it's just really the yen pairs where it's a bit of confusion. Euro British Pound and Euro USD are both looking fairly interesting for support, and then another move to the upside. So that's kind of what I'd be looking for. The other way to play this would be London breakout strategy. First 8 1-hour bars. Draw your range around that and wait for a break. So that break would be right here, and then your stop is going to be below. But I have a feeling you're going to find support down here, and you can probably get away. It's going to be a 300-point stop loss if you take a trade off this level, because you'd want to protect yourself for what's below here. But just wait for price action. Just look at the 15-minute, wait for inside bars, engulfing bars, or pin bars, and just put your trade in on the break of that structure. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.